Then you have the idea of intersubjectivity phenomenology. But before we get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, let's explore specifically different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists and implements a spirit and a soul in what's tangible or intangible, inanimate or inanimate, organic or in the dictionary. It sort of differs in a sort of circular reasoning. Theoretical basically means a collection of propositions that... So, being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps you embody music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So, when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle.